How to deposit money from Robinhood to your bank. In this video, I will show you the full process to transfer funds from Robinhood to your bank in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Choose Transfers and then select Transfer to your bank. Step 4. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw from your Robinhood balance. Step 5. Select the linked bank account that you want to deposit to. If you have not added one yet, tap Add Account and follow the prompts. Step 6. Confirm the transfer. Robinhood will typically process the withdrawal within 1 to 3 business days. Step 7. You will get a confirmation email once the transfer is complete. And now, you can do it alone. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.